another week there. But one thing is constant, wherever we go together. Brent, Letitia, August, Brinley, and Elowen.
Yeah, out of town to Sammy.
Join along with us on all of our adventures.
What's up, everybody? This week, Ireland again, but sadly it's the last one. We've really been enjoying our time. If you've missed the other videos, make sure to check out our Ireland playlist. This week we were over on the west side of Ireland. First off, starting with the Cliffs of Moher. I think that's how you say it. But that's the picture-perfect spot, the big tourist attraction that features the cliffs. You've probably seen pictures, but we were able to go and enjoy our time. You like it? Your eyes are so blue. Spectacular views, of course. They have a little lighthouse that they renovated up there. Actually, the last time we were there, it was being renovated, and it was really cool to actually see it done. It's just kind of cool to come back to things and to see a bunch of changes. Oh, found another one, huh?
I'll come back. Good job.
Daddy!
We don't need to do that though, Ellen. It's okay. We're never gonna get there. Let's go. Yeah.
That was such a cool jump.
I can only do 2, not 1.
Oh, that's a cool pose.
Did you see me?
Did you
Uh-huh.
Go show me your jump. Go show me your jump. Go on, go show me your jump.
Can I show you my band?
What are you doing?
Spider down. That's the ghost spider one. Afterwards.
Nice.
Let's go. We are underwater.
It kind of looks like we're underwater, but no, we're under the ground though.
Oh, wow. We can sit on the rock.
Sit on a rock to hear my sound. Drag it. Oh, another one?
Yeah. 2 birds. And this bird.
Got it.
Going to go.
Oh yeah, now look at it. You got all the stuff there. A surfer on the wave, nice. And the birds and the sub. And the mermaid with the flower. The girl with the kite, perfect. Oh, you got it too. Where'd it go? Oh, dolphin riding a submarine and the surfer riding both. Man. Dolphins.
Going in water.
Another thing that we did was go to the Kylemore Abbey, just a little bit north of Causeway, and It's just a pretty grand abbey used by nuns. They actually have a school there and everything like that. But that's actually another thing that we went to the last time we were in Ireland. And they have seriously renovated it a lot as well. So it's really cool to see that, those kind of things happening. There they have the abbey that you can go through. They tell a lot of history. They had some interactive displays, which was kind of funny because they had a couple pictures by the dining room. I think it was the dining room, one of the rooms. And they're just pictures, and then they came to life and started talking to each other, and kind of caught the kids off guard, and me maybe. And then lastly, we actually circled all the way up to Northern Ireland, on the tippy top of the island of Ireland, and went to Giant's Causeway, which was really, really cool. Insanely windy. Very, very windy. At least up on top. It was actually not bad when we were at the columns, the basalt columns. But like getting up there, like when we were up high, the wind was just hammering us. And then once we kind of got below towards sea level, it was a lot better. It is 150 mile per hour wind out here. Okay, so today would have been a good day for a ponytail, maybe. Hey! Wow! It is so windy! This is crazy! It's like pushing us against the bar. Brenda, you coming? She's trying to grandma. She's just trying to move it. Do you need help? Is it crazy? That was a little bit of a walk to get there, but it was really great views. And then once we got there, even better. It's really, really, really cool. There's a lot of places to explore over there. And the kids seemed to actually really like that. August, I think, really liked it a lot.
Dizzy.
You okay? That's it. That wraps up Ireland for us. Don't forget to watch the playlist if you wanted to catch up on other videos. Something new next week. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye.
We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we wait.